Hey guys, Sylvia here, and welcome guys to my Ebook Cash review. Well, more like an update review because I really did shoot a review on this product a couple of days ago, I believe. You might have seen it, it's here, it's published obviously on my channel. So it's really like an update review because in the previous one, I did not have access to the members area. I thought like, well, let me just, review this product and just give you my opinion on it as such without having the actual review access, okay? Although I did reach out to Trevor Carr because this is the product by him on Facebook Messenger. He hasn't seen my message yet. I mean, like, he's a busy guy, right? Okay, fair enough. And but then again, it has been brought to my attention that there have been by some of my friends, on like a community group that I am a part of, that is really like a phenomenal group. I joined because of these free courses that I always give you access to, guys. And it's inside of this community. I'll not be giving you the details because it's really not that important here as such. I'll talk about what we were discussing, but one of my friends in that group brought up to my attention that he was unable to access that the link was not working for him. Okay, and it is true, it does not work as such unless you follow step by step the instructions they give you inside of the members area. Okay, I did follow the instructions because I also asked the other guy let me just show you. It may be a bit chaotic because I have quite a bit of thoughts running through my head. I don't know what to talk about first, but these are the vendors, okay? I reached out to Trevor. He hasn't seen my message yet. He didn't give me the review access. But then I reached out to his partner, okay? And, he was cool. I mean, like, except he called me bro. I was like, okay, bro, but it's cool. All right, bro, it's cool. No worries. But that bro, okay, did give me the review access, and I was like, okay, bro, the link does not seem to be working because let me take you to the members area, okay? So this is the members area. You'll have a short video by Trevor Carr first, okay? He will invite you to a live training, okay? A free live training. He may want to sell you something later on. I have not checked it, to be brutally honest. He may not. But obviously, I'm kind of like assuming that you already know what this product is all about, okay? Here's the sales page. They give you $2 off. I'll take you to the sales page again later on. But it's basically ebooks, okay, and what's very important, and they do say it, honestly, really, like from what I see, from my understanding on the sales page, that this is PLR rights and MRR. So PLR stands for personal label rights. So not only can you resell PLR, but you can also edit them, put your name on it, and it's really like, whether you're gonna make money with those PLR books, it's totally down to you, because making money ultimately comes down to traffic, you having access to traffic, you knowing how to sell, okay? So you get access to 350 PLR and MRR ebooks, and MRR stands for Master Reseller Rights, which means you can resell them and keep 100% not commission profits, but you cannot rebrand them. And this is not good as such, because you want to, the whole PLR business is a big business, and it's a legit business. I mean, people make money with PLR products all the time, but it's nice if you can put your name on it, you can customize it, rebrand it and all of that. But bear in mind, with MRR you will not be able to do that. But like fortunately you have a mix of those two, okay, under this downloadable link, and you will be able to download it. At first I thought the link was broke, okay, that's why I contacted that bro. I'm just keeping it light. I contacted him and I said, like, listen, the link seems broken, and I'm not able to extract it. And then he asked me, are you on Windows? I was like, yes, so please download the zip 7-zip in order to unzip the files. Okay, so he gave me access to this zip, and actually they give you the instructions on the inside of the members area. I'll show you guys. So, but really, like, I'll show you how to open the link. Okay. So yeah, once I followed the advice he gave me, it did work. So I said, like, okay, all fine, all opened up and all good. Thank you. Okay. So, okay, let me show you the rest of the members area. So then after this short video by Trevor, you will have, there's around 4 or 5 minutes long by, his partner, the bro I was talking to. He made my day. He really did. I had so much fun, I must say. So he gave me what? Yeah, he talks in this video about how to extract it. All right. So if you click on here, and you get also a bonus from Trevor. His previous product is a training on how to make money with PLR products. I don't know if the course is good or not. I have never reviewed the course. It was like released years ago before I even started doing affiliate marketing. But Trevor made his first commissions as an affiliate by actually buying $5 PLR product. He rebranded it and sold it as his own. And then after being successful with it, he made a training course around it on how to make money with PLR products. And this is Pimper. I mean, like, quite a name, all right? I'm not going to comment on the name, but fine. That's the course. That's the bonus, and you'll have access to your upgrades if you wish, guys, and some unannounced bonuses. Whether this product is great value or not. I mean, it's pretty plain. You will have access to PLR products, okay, and MRR products. Whether you're gonna make money with them or not, it's totally up to you. And it's a big file. I mean, it's really like for $10-11 you can have access to 350 of such PLR products, but then it's gonna take up a lot of space on your computer. I'm just being brutally honest and like as transparent, and just give you the two sort of sides to it, so as I can, as brutally honest as I can. So it's gonna take up around, I'm gonna show you how much, 4 gigabytes, something like that. Yeah, so it's a lot, right? It took me like 20, maybe 25 minutes to download the whole file. Okay, and let me show you now. So if I click on this download ebook cache here, now it's gonna bring you to this, to this page. Now I'm gonna obviously blur the links, but he gives you like 3 methods you can try to download them. I went with the first one. I mean, whichever method you really like, you really use, it's gonna, and if you want to open it without the zip extractor, a special software for it, it's not gonna work. Okay, you have to follow this, whatever they say here, that you have to unzip, and for Mac they give you the link here, and for Windows they give you a link to follow here. So it's a free tool that's going to extract the file. And now let me just show you what the file looks like, because, hold on, let me just go to, you see, I've got it, where is it? I've got it here. So what I did, I basically went, like, if you go to your, for example, guys, if you go to your files, let me just go to my downloads, the latest downloads, and you see, like, if you go here, And if I was to open it, okay, now it's gonna open in this, like, okay, via this file extractor tool. Okay, but do this, guys, like, you know, don't try and extract all, because if you try and do that, you see it's gonna show you this like invalid link. Okay, I was trying to do that, and you know, it should be I should be really able to, because Windows comes with, you know, like with this native sort of unzipper or whatever you call it, right? And you know, my computer is good, so it should be able to manage the 4 gigabyte file, whatever, you know, like no problem. But I don't know what they have done to the file that you need the zip extractor to actually open up the file, but that's the case. So like, do not panic. There is a way to open it. So what you need to do, okay, you have to go to open with, and you see like, your system is gonna suggest, for example, a free tool for you. This Breeze Zip, the system suggested for me, but you know, it was just a free trial. So I would really follow whatever they suggest here. Where was it? What they suggest here on this page. So and use that unzipper, okay? And you know, it's gonna work. So don't panic. If you see that the link is invalid, you will manage to open it once you follow the instructions. Okay, so basically, let me show you what the, you know, the books sort of will look like. I mean, what I do not like about, you know, the way they have organized it is that it is not categorized by PLR and MRR. That would have been amazing of them if they could have done it, but they didn't do it. They just categorized the products by niches. So you get them in 4 niches, so 350 products, PLR and MRR ebooks. Okay, in 4 different niches like health, wealth, make money online, dating. I mean, the most wanted in demand niches after all. So okay, so let me just maybe open the wealth. So what is, I mean, at least you see from here, so it's not like you have to open every single one individually, click on them and like just to check what kind of rights you will have, whether it's PLR or MRR, because that would be a pain in the neck. I mean, like, I would be, well, you know, like annoyed. Just to sound nice, not to sound rude and use another expression. Okay, but from here you can see PLR, MR, you can see, okay, what kind of rights you have. Yeah, so anyhow, that's what it looks like. So let me just shut that. And yeah, so I mean, that's the sales page, and this pop-up keeps popping up actually. And it's quite annoying, to be brutally honest. Okay, how many times is it gonna pop up? 5? Okay, 4. I give them 5 jokers. Okay, that's it, hopefully. So they say a quality collection of ebooks that you can turn into your own products and sell for huge profits. I mean, huge profits? It's totally up to you whether you're gonna know how to make profits with it or not, okay? And again, okay, there are like a mix of PLR, MRR, the MRR rights you cannot rebrand. Be aware of that, guys. And that's pretty much it. Nothing to say much about it, okay? So, you know, $13 with the $2 discount, you get it for $11. Now I have to say that, you know, I have seen that some of the products are pretty old, from like 2001, 2007 or something like that. So guys, you know, like, make up your minds whether this is going to be any useful for you or not. Now I do hope, you know, I have given you every angle to this product. And for the record, really, like, if you want some PLR products, there is this platform, idplr.com, where you can get thousands of PLR products. You know, I don't know, they might have taken some products from here. I don't know, I have no proof for it. You know, like here you have them all, you know, like under one link, but it's 4 gigabytes to download. So yeah, anyhow, I mean, you don't need 350 products, for goodness sake, PLR products, okay, to make money. You just need one good PLR product and, you know, make it into an amazing product of your own and know how to sell it. So that's the truth behind it. Right, yeah, and I'll really send you back to my free courses as well. I mean, we have this amazing community called Discord, and where we are chatting about is like, this is the vendor Michaels, you see. So we are talking about this, like, so many like features you have here, like threads, like review access, this and that. Okay, we're just chatting here about this whole product, so I'm not gonna reveal much, you know, more information, but it's a platform is one, because these products, guys, okay, I give you, well, you get free access to these ones. The front ends to all of these courses on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing are totally free and value packed, trust me. Okay, and after having gone through the front end of these products, you may want to pick up, you know, some of the upsells. There are only 3 upsells, and all of them are totally just, you know, hands-on and something you will need, okay, and you will benefit from. So no BS upsells. And like, one of the upsells is just, you know, access to this amazing community where we really like support each other, grow together. I mean, the vendor is like such a cool guy and, you know, so knowledgeable. So yeah, decide for yourselves, okay, make your call. Okay, love you and leave you guys. And yeah, this is the vendor again, Trevor. Trevor, his score on Warrior Plus is what, 3.5 stars? Okay, he's already made over 500 plus sales from selling this Ebook Cash. I mean, the PLR business is a big business, okay? You know, it has sold well for him. And I'm happy for him that he's making money. And, you know, I am glad that, you know, we can actually, well, download the stuff. Because at first I thought, wow, this is like, if the link is invalid, he's gonna have a lot of refunds, okay? But, you know, it seems to be working, so cool, what can I say? Alright, love you and leave you, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye, stay cool.